Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorials number 159. Today we're going to revisit an incredible Google Doc tool, voice typing. We mentioned voice typing in Google Docs way back in Tech Tuesday number 7, but it's gotten some improvements since then and frankly it deserves a whole video. If you didn't know already, Google Docs has a great tool called voice typing. Superficially, it's like a dictation tool, but this one's a bit more powerful and specific to Google Docs. To pull it up, go to Tools and then click on Voice Typing. You're going to get a little pop-up here with a microphone and it tells you to click to speak. Notice that you can choose a different language here and there are many supported languages. When you're ready, click the button to speak and make sure to approve the microphone use on this site. The Empire Strikes Back. New line. It is a dark time for the rebellion, period. Although the Death Star has been destroyed, comma, Imperial troops have driven the rebel forces from their hidden base and pursued them across the galaxy, period. You'll notice that it will do punctuation, as I've just done. If something needs to be capitalized or italicized or whatever, we can change that. New paragraph. Evading the dreaded Imperial Starfleet, comma, a group of freedom fighters led by Luke Skywalker has established a new secret base on the remote ice world of Hoth, period. You'll notice that it capitalized freedom fighters, in which case that is not correct, at least according to the official Star Wars script. I'll go in here and select this and I'm going to make a correction. Lowercase. So that is unique. That means that I can actually do commands, not just dictation. So there are a lot of different commands we can try. You can select text and then perform actions on it with your voice instead of having to go to menu. This is the big difference between a simple dictation tool and the voice typing that's in Google Docs. For example, apply heading 3, apply heading 2, italicize, undo, highlight color green, highlight color none, unselect, bold, underline, text color red, clear formatting, make it bigger, make it bigger. You can also replace words. For example, selecting this and then The Force Awakens, select line, capitalize, new paragraph, by the way, comma, Han shot first, exclamation mark. You can also do other formatting things. Align center, align justified, increase indent, decrease indent, create bulleted list, create numbered list, unselect, new paragraph, insert table 5 rows by 4 columns, insert row, insert column, delete column. Yeah, so it's important to know that just with your voice, you can do a lot of things within the document. If you're using your keyboard, your mouse at the same time, you're not wanting to have to go up there and click on certain things, you don't have the keyboard shortcuts just down, you can do a lot just with your voice. You may have students with muscular or motor function restrictions. In that case, this may be a godsend for them. And now for a bonus tip. Your comments now have an option to do emojis. In addition to adding comments, you can select text and go click on emojis, and you can now drop in emojis at any time right there, all part of a single comment. This isn't the same as inserting an emoji within the document. This actually works like a comment. And now for a bonus. We covered Obsidian a couple of episodes back, and we were talking about Markdown text. I don't know if you know this, but under Tools and Preferences, you can tell it to automatically detect Markdown text. In which case, if you do Markdown text, you know that you can use a hashtag, space, and the message to mimic a heading. 2 hashtags and text is a second heading, and so on. This is all basic Markdown text, but what it does when you have it auto detect that, it basically replaces the Markdown text with actual formatted text. So I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope you found it useful. And if you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, click on the bell, and may the force be with you. Bye-bye.